How to complete the FSR audit. Before the audit is initiated, a self-inspection must be carried out by an authorized auditor and/or responsible person for security on site. During the audit, the appointed person for security on site, who is responsible for maintaining the TAPA FSR program and company supply chain security requirements, needs to be present. The gates to the cargo handling, shipping, and receiving yard need to be either manned or electronically controlled. The yard must be enclosed by a physical barrier that is at least 6 feet, or 1.8 meters high. The barrier needs to be checked for integrity and damage at least once a week. The CCTV, video surveillance system must be able to view all traffic at the yard, especially at entry and exit points. Vehicles and individuals must be recognizable at all times, and the technology must be able to discern the facial features of personnel, and to identify relevant vehicle information, unless there is a temporary obstruction due to operational needs. Vehicle identifiers are logged manually, or with cameras. The logs must at a minimum include the license plate and vehicle type. The camera system needs to cover all exterior sides of the facility, and must record either color or day and night mode. The outside lighting must be adequate in the loading and unloading areas. The workforce entry points also have to be covered by CCTV, VSS, as well as being access controlled at all times. All internal dock doors and dock areas also have to be covered by CCTV, VSS. Interior lighting must be sufficient to support clear CCTV images that allow an investigation and evidential quality image recording. Doors between the office and dock or warehouse need to be access controlled. These doors must have an alarm that is locally audible and generates an alarm for response when held open for more than 60 seconds, or immediately, if forced open. All dock doors must be of sufficient strength, so the doors will deter and delay forced entry by use of small portable hand tools. Warehouse pedestrian doors and frames cannot be easily penetrated. If there are hinges on the outside, they must be pinned or spot welded. All external warehouse doors and office doors must be alarmed to detect any unauthorized opening and be linked to the main alarm system. Intrusion detection is required to monitor all internal warehouse areas. This can be done by infrared, motion, sound, or vibration detection. The alarms must be activated and linked to the main alarm system during non-operational hours. All forklifts and other powered cargo handling equipment need to be disabled during non-operational hours. The LSP or applicant must have documented procedures in place for management and control of the physical security and relevant installations. After the walk around and assessing the systems, the documented procedures which apply to the management, to the physical security, to installations and logistic processes, need to be checked and in line with the requirements as well.